Hey, wait.
We've got a film.
Mahal, ikaw na ba?
Oh,
Ayan, ikaw na ba?
Ayan, okay.
Ayan. Kaya nga ikaw mag-ano nito, kaya sabi ko, ano, kasama kita.
I'll go to the dentist now, getting a clean.
Lazaro, nasa right side lang. You can walk, actually.
Okay.
Ikaw na magsama o siya?
Well, I was walking.
I know. He's gonna take you there though, but so you'll find, you know?
I can walk.
Ikaw pala yun kayo. Ikaw na lang.
Walk is okay.
Yeah. Yeah, it's just right there. Mahal!
Right, I've got a guide to go to the dentist. So you come out, Topaz. There you Ed. Left. What's your name?
Joby.
Do you want to be in the video? Yes. Do you want me to be in video?
Hello.
Hello everyone. How do you say hello in Filipino? Hello in Filipino. Is it the same? Hello?
Hello.
Oh, right, it's the same. It's the same.
Hello. Very hot in the Philippines.
Yes. It's 1 degrees back home. Number one. What is it here? 29. I want to get a sim. Do I get a sim? Have a look after.
Dentist.
Yo. Hello.
Dental Clinic.
Clinic. So I'm at the dentist.
Yes, dentist.
Change from that to that. Hello. Thank you very much. So how do I get back to the...
I'll wait it. Sit down, sir.
I need to come back.
Nasuot na lang siya.
I can't get seen now. I need to go. Does she know I'm not now? No. It's not now. It's 30 minutes. I need to go somewhere. I'm just checking price for clean and check up.
I-check daw muna niya yung price ko mata. Pero sa kanya.
A clean.
Clean daw. Cleaning.
Yeah.
Sign it, sir.
I'll find my glasses. There we go. Let's get it clean done. CP, what's that?
South number.
Don't have one. I'm going to get one in a minute. I'll put my English one. They're not going to ring that. Don't know where I am. So go up there and come back.
You know where I am?
Yeah. If they give me a time to come back, I'll come back at that time.
Okay.
Doesn't matter when.
When you come back in America?
America, UK,
UK?
England.
Okay.
No, America. Right. Know where I am now. Nice lady helped me. Joby, I think she was called. Don't laugh, you British people. You Scottish people don't laugh at that. Well, it's 1,500 pesos for a clean and polish. £30 or something. Back home it's £80 now, so I'm saving £50. Okay, that's my cash got. You can only take 10,000 out at a time, 10,000 peso. You get charged, I don't know, £4 every time. But I've got 2 bank cards with the same bank, so you can actually do that, take it out twice. Right, let's get to the dentist. There's that guy with all the... He's got a 3-piece suite on the top of his bicycle. His market is amazing. Right, my dentist is down here if I remember rightly. That's the Eggman, but the Eggman's probably disappeared now, so... But still, it's this way, I won't get lost. Well, maybe I will. Busy. And it's not busy with tourists. Busy with locals. I don't think it was this way. I don't know where I'm going. Here it is. I walked straight past it. It's very difficult to see. Here we are. I'm back.
Here. Yeah. Is it a video or a picture?
Video. Do you want?
Okay.
Is that okay?
Hi. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Hi guys.
Here's my dentist. I just got a clean.
Here in the Philippines.
Yes, come over here. What's this called?
GARCIA-LAZARO Dental Clinic, guys.
In San Jose.
San Jose, Occidental Mindoro, Philippines.
There we go. Okay. Thank you very much.
Sir. Come again!
Well, I don't know when.
Thank you very much, sir.
So there you go. That's the dentist I went to. And San Jose. 1,500 pesos.